Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, please share with your friends, subscribe, and I hope you finally got to see. Yeah, we have to do it again.
Yeah, boom. Okay. Alright. Ready, set.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I am really so excited that 10,000 of you have decided to follow this journey with me. I am really inspired and humbled, and I hope this channel in one way or another leaves you happy, leaves you inspired. Yeah, but I'm really grateful for the support that you give my channel. So today I am here to try and revive and transform my hair because I have done nothing for 3 weeks. And this is really bad. I don't know where this laziness is from, but it's actually not a good thing, especially because I have colored hair. I am very scared that it's going to shade, but I'm going to really try step by step, be very gentle with it, and try to do my best to make it look good at the end of this tutorial. And this video is going to be featuring Saru Organic Products. I have used them before, but over the years they have improved their formulations and ingredients, so I'm going to take you step by step through the products and let's see how they work with my hair, to see how this can be transformed, because I can't even run my fingers through my own hair. Like it's really bad. I was doing nothing. Why anyway? So the first step is actually to detangle and pre-poo my hair. It's really interesting that Saru Organics is one of the few brands in Kenya that has a detangler. So they have a tea tree and peppermint detangler. Definitely tea tree and peppermint are the key ingredients, which are light oils, very good for your hair. And what this is supposed to do is melt my tangles away. I really hope it does the job. So first I'm going to spray some water and make sure that it's moist, because it's always easy to detangle wet hair or damp hair. So then I'm going to follow that up with a detangler. This is how it looks. It's creamy, it flows very well. Yep. So I'm going to just rub it through that section. Okay, though immediately I can actually feel my hair just getting soft. And you can see. Yeah. So this is really nice. I'm going to follow up with the coconut oil as a pre-poo. I'm really excited. I could not actually reach my scalp. That's how bad it was. If only I knew this was the solution. Like, I would have been motivated to wash my hair early. See how soft it is. Voila! So it's taken me 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I'm really excited. I really thought I'm going to take 1 hour to detangle my hair, and therefore right now I'm just going to sit under my portable steamer. So I'm going to just go and plug it in, and then I'm able to control the temperature from here. And for those interested, I got this from Natural Hair Kenya on Instagram. So this is all that I lost. Yep, it's a lot, it's quite substantial. So yeah, let's see you in 20 minutes. And to wash my hair, I'm going to be using the Saru Organics 3-in-1 Revitalizing Clay Cleansing Shampoo. 3 things that I really love about this shampoo. I've used it for quite some time. If you've watched my videos for a long time, one is that it has bentonite clay. I love bentonite clay on my hair because one, it gives me curls, moisturizes my hair, leaves it with a sheen, leaves it really vibrant. Second thing is that this shampoo actually leaves my hair really soft generally, and being a sulfate-free shampoo, it's really it's very safe for your hair, so that that means it doesn't strip off your natural oils, and therefore using it it just makes my work really easy. It's like one touch. It saves time for me. Once I use this shampoo, I go straight into deep conditioning. I really don't have to condition because it's going to also detangle my hair, as you'll see. So look at that, just look at that curve butter, love it. So for the protein treatment, I'm still going to use the Saru Organics Hair Reconstructor Protein Treatment Mask. As I said, I really neglected my hair, so I feel like it needs extra TLC. So we're going to go in with this. It has fenugreek and hibiscus extracts. Then also very important is that it has tea tree. So I know for a fact it's going to soothe my scalp, because my scalp is one thing that really told me I need to wash my hair. It was itchy. Yeah. Amount of hair I have shed now after detangling, so it's nothing, basically nothing. The products are really good. I love how my scalp feels after the deep conditioner. The only thing I would say is that the tea tree is a little bit strong, so if you rinse and then it goes to your eyes, then you'll have it rough. So other than that, my scalp feels really healthy, rejuvenated. I'm just loving how it feels. To go in with the leave-in, the shea and avocado butter, and the jojoba oil, which is very light. I'm just going to stretch my hair in 4 parts. It's at night, so when it gets to the morning, I'm hoping that it will be a little bit stretched out for me to do braid outs. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners because it actually hydrates my hair. Like, as I said, when I was doing nothing to my hair the last 3 weeks, all I was doing is applying the leave-in because I'm assured of moisture retention throughout the day. Yep. So it's a really good leave-in conditioner, really penetrates your hair, and mint has like a mint scent that I really love, and has also essential oils like baobab, moringa, almond oil, macadamia nut oil, all which I'm going to list the benefits to your hair. So I've finished, and as I said, I was just stretching it out, so it doesn't really have to be neat because I just want to do braid outs on slightly stretched out hair. So I'm going to bed and I'm going to see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so I am back. It's the next day. My hair is dry and stretched out, and that was the goal. So I'm going to do braid outs now in smaller sections. So step 1, as I said, is add your leave-in because you want your hair to stay moisturized, your braid outs to be moisturized. So I'm just going to apply the leave-in, and then I'm going to go in with the shea and avocado butter. So something to note about the shea butter is that it has essential oils. It has baobab oil, shea butter, mango butter, avocado butter, macadamia oil, moringa oil, avocado oil. Like, it has really good oils for your hair. And then it also has flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel, I know, will make the curls pop. So I'm just going to take a sizable amount and rub that through that section. You have to rub the product into your hair, like, always work your product into your hair. Look at those curls. Before I do the braid out, I'm just going to make sure that I detangle, even though I can see that it's detangled. But if your hair is not, please make sure you detangle to get smooth curls. It's just a matuta, if you don't know, 3 strands, and you keep taking the strands at the end to the center. I think that's the closest I can see. So when you come to the end, one more tip, just add a bit of the product, and then I'm going to finish off with a twist out. Yeah, I'm going to finish it off with a twist out. And then after I have done a twist out, making sure this place is really moisturized, I'm going to do a bantu knot at the end. This will just ensure that you actually protect your ends. Don't leave them hanging, please. Yeah. Ooh, so I am done with that, and the final thing that I'm going to do is pin my hair to the direction that I want. I'm going to just pin the section from the root here. This just helps the hair to fall in the direction that you'd want. Finally, I'm going to oil my scalp using the jojoba oil. I rarely oil my scalp. Your scalp really doesn't need to be oiled if you've washed like the first 3 days, unless you're really struggling with a dry scalp, but it necessarily does not, because it produces its own oil called sebum. Yep, should naturally do it. But should you be having a really dry scalp that's problematic, then jojoba oil comes very close to the pH of your scalp, and therefore it's one of the best that you can use, and it's really light. It's really light. Okay, goodbye guys, see you tomorrow. So I'm just removing the pins and then I unravel slowly. Okay, so I'm just going to put a few drops on my hand and then rub that through. Like, make sure your hand is smooth to avoid frizz. So I know a very important tip is that you have to unravel slowly, like slowly and gently. Ooh, I like the definition already. My problem with braid outs is usually that I just never get, I don't know, shape or something, or I never know how to style. I don't know. There's usually something that goes totally wrong. So I'm hoping today I'll be on point. But so far this definition is just bomb. Ooh, look at that. And make me feel like he too cool. And when I feel so the next phase is where I usually have a problem with, and I have done my research on how to unravel successfully. So I'm just going to try. So according to the blogger that I'm really trying to follow, I am Treya. You just separate where you want it to, like naturally separate, and then we separate all the way to the bottom. That's the tip. See, like that, like that. So I'm going to now try and just pick a little bit from the roots, like that. You see? We are more beautiful than the rainbow, 'cause with you I never. So I think I'm going to pin this sides just a little bit like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment on how Saru Organics products work for you, and you can check their site out. I'll leave a link below and their Instagram handle for all the details as to price and etc. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I like how it looks and I really hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.